First of all, go your Chrome browser and search Koya Bot for Discord. Go to the first website. Logging this website. Now go to your manage server. This one, this server. Welcome bot. Join message. Select channel. Welcome. Record the rules. Send message. Attach file. Embed link. So go your Discord server and welcome section. Permission. Add role. Koya roles. Select. Use channel. Send message. Embed link. Attach file. Okay. Save. Then hi. Thanks for the get my join. Thanks your Discord. Let me this one. As Sensei. What I show. Okay, welcome successfully set up. But you need a custom or welcome banner. See my next video, my 100%. Firstly, I show you how to create this type of welcome banner.